Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Jaritza, and if this is your first time here, welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. I get a lot of compliments about my eyebrows, so in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. Before I get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If this interests you, just keep on watching. Just gonna get a little bit closer so you guys can see. My hairs for my eyebrows are really curly. So the first thing I do is always brush them. I'm just gonna get a little bit close. Sorry for the close-up so you guys can see. So I always brush my eyebrows up. And then the scissor is kind of crazy, yes, but I need to buy the other little one, but I always use the scissors. And then what I do is I always cut the little hairs. Then I brush my eyebrows again, but I try to brush it like this way, like this. So the first product that I use is the Morphe M518 brush. And this is the one that I use to brush my eyebrows. And then the scissors that I just use the regular scissors. You can use either or, but one that's like this or like a smaller one. And then right next I'm gonna be using the F.A.R.A.H brushes brand, but it's like a little tweezer. And I'm just gonna take some of the little hairs that are over here. One thing that I don't like about my eyebrows is that this eyebrow is like higher. It's like a little bit different than this one. So I always try to brush it, and I always try to make this one look like this one. I don't know. I know there's always one eyebrow that I don't like, and the one that I don't like for some reason is this one. I'll be using the Realher Definer Brow Pencil. And I don't know what shade this is, but it's like a light brown. And this side has a little brush that you can use to like brush your eyebrow, and this is like a light brown. So I always try to, I know everybody does it different, but the way that I do it, line up the eyebrow, especially on the sections that don't have a lot of hair, because I have a lot of thick eyebrows already. So I just try to like shape my eyebrow, but I do it like really light, so I don't like it really dark because it makes me look like a guy. It makes my eyebrows look weird. So I just kind of like color it in a little bit, kind of to like shape the eyebrow. And then I'm gonna be doing the same thing on the other one. I think I filled them in pretty well. So what I'm gonna do next is, I'm gonna be using my Morphe Eyebrow Baby. And what I'm gonna do, this is like a highlighter. It's a highlighter stick, eliminating, yeah, it's a highlighter stick. So I'm gonna use the highlighter stick. I'm gonna try to use it as a concealer to just clean up like the outside of my eyebrow. So I usually just like make a line at the bottom like this. I know this doesn't look perfect, it's a little bit crazy, but I'll fix it. So I'll do a line like this, and then I'll also do the same thing on the top. Like this. So kind of like if you're lining up the eyebrow. And then I usually use a flat brush. Now I have two. I have this one, but this is the one that I usually use, and this is a concealer brush. But this one's a little bit smaller, so I might have to go with this one first. And this one is the Farah brushes, and it is the 205 Fly Wings brush. So let's try to see if I can fix these eyebrows. So let's start with this side. So I'm just gonna brush it this way, and what this does is just kind of like cleans up the eyebrow. So like, let's say if you just, so it kind of makes it pop, like it makes it better, but you're basically just cleaning the outside of the eyebrow. So just in case you make any mistakes or anything like that, the concealer can fix it and make it better. So let's see. I don't know, like I feel like every time I do this to my eyebrows, it makes my eyebrows look so much better. And sometimes I have days that I don't do it, which is okay, but when I do it, it makes my eyebrows look really nice. So I think it looks okay. What do you guys think? Alright, so after I'm done filling my eyebrows in, I use one of these brushes like this. And this one is, so like I said, it's the Morphe M518. And then I kind of like just like brush it like the way that I want my eyebrow. Kind of like brush it just a little bit though, because you don't want to mess up it up. So just a little bit. Like I said, one of them always look different than the other one for some reason, but I think my eyebrows look good. What do you guys think? Are they too thick? Are they okay? And then the last thing that I do with my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the Wonder Beauty brow gel. And it looks like this. I got this from BoxyCharm, and the first time that I used this, I was in love. So I'm excited to be able to try this. And it looks like this, and it's just like a clear liquid. So what you do is you just put it on your eyebrows, kind of like brush your eyebrows, not like really hard, but just a little bit. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna keep your eyebrow in place. So this really works for me because my eyebrows are so like curly and stuff, and my hairs are curly, so this keeps the hair still. It just, so that way your eyebrows are not like all over the place. But I love this product. I would definitely recommend everyone to use this Wonder Beauty brow gel. It is so worth it. I hope I didn't miss anything on this video, but that's how I do my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna get close so you guys can see. Now, how did I do? You guys think I did okay? Do I need some work? I think I did pretty good. Sorry for the close-up. So yeah, so this was a pretty short video, and that's how I do my eyebrows. It's pretty simple. I hope it's not too hard. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So this is just the final look of my eyebrows, and Pretty easy, pretty simple. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. So click on the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Bye guys, and I will see you on my next one.